Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the power button action in this device. So if you tap and hold on the power button, now you can see this is voice assistance. So let me show you how to change the power button action. For this, go to settings, then tap on additional settings. Then here you can see the option power button. Tap on this one. Then tap on press and hold the power button. Then here you can see two options, power menu and voice assistance. So if you want to change the power button action, then here I am going to select the option power menu. Now tap and hold on the power menu. Now you can see the window to switch off or power off or restart the device. If you want to change again, tap on voice assistant, tap and hold, you can see. Okay, so simply in this way you can change the power button action in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.